Do you think we can get rent of 40,000 a month? No, but I'm asking her. She saw it. In that location, you can? What type of tenant? Give me a name. Like who? Would be good. Restaurants. So, do you think Olive Garden will pay 40? Yeah? They'll pay 50. Yeah. Actually, I saw Outback Steakhouse paying 75,000 a month in a location, plus percentage over like 3 million in sales. But by the way, you may not realize how much some of these locations make. They make a lot of money. They make a lot of money. Okay, so to answer your question, the reason I always talk about around $1 million or less is because in every market, in every business, there is what I call a critical mass. What's a critical mass? Critical mass is where the most deals are done. Most deals are done within this price range to this price range. The price range where the best retail deals have been done are 600,000 to $1 million, around 2,000 square feet. Quickly, you're able to get more tenants interested. The value increase jumps a lot higher. Your risk is lower. I'm able to make the deals faster, back to back. Can we do this? I'd love it because it's like one deal. It's like doing 4 deals of the small ones. But how hard is it now to get a tenant to pay 40,000 a month versus 10,000 a month? You see my point? Now you're going to the elite tenants. You're going to the Outback Steakhouse, Olive Garden, the solid ones that are growing right now.
As long as those are on the list, we're good.
Yeah. I mean, and if you think you can do it, you put it under contract and you start calling. If you're too scared, can you call before you put it under contract? Yeah. Yes. But now, do you have a video of the inside? No.
Not the inside.
What do you have? You have an email telling them some general things. You really don't have much. You're not following the formula. You follow the formula, you're going to get there.